Good morning, everyone. My name is Vinette Love. I'm currently a long-term care ombudsman in Philadelphia. I visit and interview up to 15, sometimes 20 seniors per day in different nursing homes. What I've enjoyed so far in the courses is the Erickson stages, nonverbal communication, and of course, I did enjoy doing the senior interview, the older adult interview. I'm sorry. Please forgive my voice. I'm very hoarse right now, and I'm just trying to function to get through this. I am looking forward to completing this course. I like working with people, and I am sure that we this is going to be exciting just as the rest of the courses. Um, I'm not sure if we will have a chance to do any group projects this term, but I'm sure we will still, through our discussion boards, we will continue to communicate because communication is one of the things that we all depend on, of course. And so, everyone, please just keep up your good posts so we can communicate.